Let's look at some wild arum flowers in April. The wild arum is found growing throughout the park in the woodland belts and shady areas. It's really quite a spectacular plant, but is often overlooked. When the flower opens, it forms a pale envelope with a central spike. Right, we've cut the flower in half lengthwise, and here is the structure here that's supposed to attract the flies by its smell. And then coming down the flower, you'll see there's some hairs in this region here, and a darker area there, and underneath there. Now then, what is supposed to happen is that some insects are supposed to be attracted to the thing here, and they come down inside and they go down past these bristles. Now this is the male part here. These are the anthers, produce the pollen, and underneath here these are the ovules. These will make the seeds. Now what's thought to happen is that the insects will pollinate the seeds here, and then when they've done that, the anthers will produce pollen, and the insects get covered in pollen, but the plant won't release them until that's happened, and they can't get out until these hairs have shriveled. So the insects are attracted to here, they go down past the bristles, pollinate underneath here, collect the pollen, and only then will the wild arum release the insects back to visit another wild arum. That's a really interesting and special story for a plant which is so common and seen in lots of places in Pishiobury Park. Go and see if you can find them while they're still on bloom. Now let's carry out a simple experiment to see if we can find what's doing the pollinating. I've cut a lemonade bottle so as to form a funnel and a base, and put it in place with a stake and leave it there for a few days to see what we capture in the pot of water underneath. The first thing is an earwig, and I don't think that can really be a pollinator. The second one is a small spider. Once again, not really a pollinator, I don't think. The third one is a wolf spider, which is a predator more than a pollinator. But the last one is a small fly, and it's much more likely to be a candidate that's pollinated our wild arum.